Feedback from the thrusters depends on the DP system settings, and those settings may be different for calm weather conditions and for rough sea case. When you operate in joystick, your joystick may be adjusted on different level of sensibility. Typically in Kongsberg KPOS 7, we have two setups for use of the joystick. If you open joystick settings, then you will find the joystick thrust full or reduced and the precision like high speed, general or low speed. Also there is a panel which is known as environment compensation. If you keep the tick there, then in joystick 0 demand, the DP system will automatically compensate the environments on selected axes. So let's talk about joystick thrust. Joystick has the tilt. Tilt is a declination from vertical axis to the end of working sector. If the joystick thrust is reduced, then in the end of the tilt of the joystick, you will have a 50% of available power for DP purposes. But if you select the joystick thrust full, then the joystick response will be greater, and in the end of the tilt sector you will have the maximum level of force which may be produced by DP system. There are three predefined controller gain levels available: high, medium and low. The selected gain level applies to any of the source, sway and yaw axes when they are under automatic control and high precision or relaxed control mode. If configured, customized settings of the controller gain level can be performed with individual gain factor settings for the source, sway and yaw axis. Different gain factors for each of the three standard gain levels are defined to suit the characteristic of the vessel. The deviations in position, speed, heading and rotation rate are multiplied by the selected gain factor to obtain the required force set point. The most suitable gain level depends on the vessel characteristic, the weather conditions and the required position accuracy. Operational experience plays a large part in determining the optimum gain level, but the following general points should also be noted. High gain provides the quickest vessel response, the most accurate maneuvering and the smallest position window. Medium gain provides a slower vessel response than high gain. Low gain provides the slowest vessel response and the largest position window. Remember that, please. Many captains prefer to work in joystick thrust reduced just to stay under the company regulations, when the company require always to use less than 50% of available power. Also, gents, you have to keep in your knowledge luggage the next information. Gain can be changed for both joystick and auto control modes. In a normal situation, when you are in joystick mode, we stated already that you refer it to use as reduced, but also it can be increased till joystick full thrust, and even there is a special button on the panel to increase thrust in one click. Of course, this is an important button, and when I say one click, I meant it in brakes, because this is double click button actually. In 4-second period you have to click it twice. Alternatively, by selection of full in joystick menu, you have to understand that there is an effect on this selection. Gain sometimes referred to as sensitivity, and is the relationship between the vessel's positioning situation and the power used. Many DP systems have three gain settings: low, medium, and high, resulting in a choice of response time. In general, low gain is employed in calm weather or where position precision is not a prime concern. Low gain settings may reduce fuel consumption. In high gain settings, proportionally more power is used in order to maintain a tighter position, for example in position critical operations or in more severe weather conditions. Concern to KPOS 7 and auto positioning, you have to understand that the gain settings give no difference within about 2 meters of set point. So in other words, if the vessel is not deviating from desired set point more than 2 meters, gain does not influence for station keeping. Then, if the vessel deviated more than 2 meters from position set point of set, gain parameter starts to work. And look at the graph. The difference between medium and low and medium and high setup is only 10%. And here we have increase or decrease influence, of thrust force produced. So remember that gain influence on station keeping, but not so significantly as many operators continue to believe. This is just 10 plus or 10 minus %, and that's all.